Hello. 9 salmon recipes. Sure. Here are 9 delicious salmon recipes you can try. 1. Baked salmon with garlic and Dijon. This recipe features a zesty citrus and tangy Dijon mustard marinade, perfect for a quick and flavorful meal. 2. Honey garlic salmon, a sweet and sticky recipe that's quick to make and tastes like it's from a fancy restaurant. 3. Salmon en croûte, a special occasion dish where salmon is wrapped in puff pastry with a flavorful filling. 4. Teriyaki salmon, a sweet and salty dish that's easy to prepare and full of flavor. 5. Creamy Tuscan salmon, salmon cooked in a luscious cream sauce with garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, and capers. 6. Garlic butter salmon, this recipe combines garlic, butter, and lemon for a simple yet delicious meal. 7. Salmon Rice Crunch Bowl, a healthy and satisfying bowl with salmon, rice, and crunchy vegetables. 8. French Salmon Meunière, a classic French dish with a bright, tangy butter lemon caper sauce. 9. Salmon and broccoli pasta, a comforting pasta dish with salmon and broccoli in a creamy sauce. Which one sounds the most appealing to you? Thanks you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.